Is your Epson WorkForce WF-4830 showing driver unavailable? Here's a quick fix you can try. First, make sure your WF-4830 is powered on and properly connected to your computer or Wi-Fi network.
If Windows still says the driver is unavailable, remove the Epson WF-4830 from your printer list.
Next, download the latest WF-4830 driver that matches your Windows version, then run the installer. Restart your computer, add the printer again, and let Windows complete the installation. Finally, print a test page. If it works, the driver problem should be resolved. Save this video for the next time your Epson driver disappears.